Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to buy the Bitcoin, simply scroll down and find the Bitcoin, or you can simply tap onto search bar and type Bitcoin and search for it. After that, here you can find the pairs of Bitcoin just right here. Now choose one of the Bitcoins that you want to buy, just like this. After that, here you can find the option of buy right here. Now tap on it and add the additional informations about the Bitcoin, and after that tap on to preview buy order. Only after doing this you can buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.